Welcome back to Eye in the Sky Drones. We're taking a double take. We're spinning the block this time. Before I gave you a look at the Air 3 and the Mavic 3, some of the videos and photos that you can capture with both. And I got a lot of comments back about the videos and pictures I was taking with both of these drones weren't on the same day, or it wasn't in the same place, same location. So what I did is I went back and I flew this drone at the same time, both drones at the same location. And I just wanted you to take a look at the footage so you can really compare. So you can tell me if you can notice a difference. Is it any difference? Of course, we all know the Mavic 3 has the bigger sensor. It's a better camera. It's a better package altogether. But is that difference that you can create with that, is that justify the higher price tag of the Mavic 3? Sit back and watch some of these videos and let me know what you think. Alright, now that we've looked at the videos from the Air 3 and the Mavic 3, we can see what both of these drones can do. They're both powerful drones. They're both good options from DJI. No matter which one you decide to go with, you're in a good position with it. But it all comes down to, are you using it professionally? Are you using it for recreation? What type of photos are you trying to capture? What type of videos you trying to capture? All that plays a big part in this scenario. Whatever you decide, you can't go wrong with the DJI options. Let me know in the comments what you think and which drone are you going to use on your next trip. As always, be safe and have fun flying.